Hi, in this short video I'll show you how to enable and disable call forwarding in iPhone. So follow this updated way to enable and disable call forwarding. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on apps and here you'll find all of your iPhone apps. Here scroll down and search for phone. Just tap on phone and you will directly jump into your phone settings. Here scroll down and tap on call forwarding, and now to enable call forwarding just enable this option and forward to, tap on that, and in this box add the number in which number you want to forward your all incoming calls, and that's it. You have successfully enabled call forwarding. And now to disable call forwarding, just come to the settings page again, just disable call forwarding, and you have successfully disabled call forwarding. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.